Fast whole home Wi-Fi system. Covers up to 3,500 square feet with high-performance Wi-Fi. Kit includes Wi-Fi router and wall plug satellite. Wall plug form factor for easy placement. Just plug the satellite into any electrical socket to extend Wi-Fi coverage. Tri-band technology. Orbi routers maintain data flow for your connected devices using a dedicated backhaul connection. Quick easy setup. Just download the Orbi app, plug in your system, and follow the instructions to get your house on the net. Guest network. Easily set up a separate and secure Wi-Fi network for visitors and guests to use. Works with Amazon Alexa, the Google Assistant. Works with Orbi OS. WPA PSK2 support. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, poor customer service. I love the Orbi, but be warned their customer service is the worst I've ever dealt with. Terrible accents. India, THT. I had to ask to have everything repeated 3 times, and not knowledgeable about the product at all. One man wasted an hour of my time because he wouldn't listen to me when I told him that the way he was instructing me to set up this router wouldn't work because I had @Uverse. There's even a video on the NETGEAR website. Saying so. Uggh, was so angry. The product is good though, I don't understand why they insist on having piss-poor customer service.